I'm Robert Estrin. You're watching livingpianos.com, and I've got such a helpful show for you. Have you ever tried to play 3 against 4 rhythms? So you have a triplet in one hand and 16th notes in the other hand. You figure, how can you possibly play those 2 rhythms? I know that some teachers just say, well, you play the 4, you play the 3, and you put them together. Well, what if that doesn't work? What can you possibly do? Well, by the end of this video, you're going to know how to play 3 against 4. I've got a hack for you, but first I'm going to tell you the mathematical relationship so you understand intellectually what is happening with a 3 against 4. Let's flip it for a moment and start with something a little bit simpler, a 3 against 2. 3 against 2 is not all that hard because you've got basically 6 divisions. So you have, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1. And so it's together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. And indeed, that produces a rhythm. There it's done. Well, so the question is, can't you do the same thing with 3 against 4? And technically you can, but I'll explain what the problem is in just a minute. First, I'm going to do it for you. And this is actually, I find this really hard to do, which is why I've got another method for you. But you could figure out the mathematical relationship of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because after all, 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. So mathematically that works. So video over. Not so fast. What's the problem with that? Getting it up to speed. Suppose you're playing like, oh, Debussy, The Snow is Dancing. How could you possibly ever count that fast? You couldn't. It's impossible. And usually a 3 against 4 is going to be at a faster tempo than what I just did counting those 12. So here is the method for getting 3 against 4. First, I'm going to show you how to rough it out where it's not correct, but it's got elements of what 3 against 4 is. Basically, the rough version, which is not correct, but I'll show you how you can make it correct in a minute, is together, left, right, left, right, left. Together, left, right, left, right, left. Now, if you did it on the piano, together, left, right, left, together, left. Now, what happens if I just play the 3, you'll hear the 3 is distorted. Together, left, right, left. Together, left. It's not right, is it? So why am I telling you to do this when it's wrong? Because what you can do is you can at least start with what happens in terms of which hand goes or which notes play first in each hand. Then you can adjust the rhythm to make it correct, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So as you notice, it's not right. Together, left, right, left. And it's the last note, the 3rd note, which has to come in later. And then that's together, left, right, left. So the last one in the right hand has got to come in later. And then the problem is if you do that, together, left, right, left, then the whole thing bogs down. So the last note in the right hand has to come in later, and then the left hand comes in right after that, much quicker than you think it does. So together, left, right, left. So at the end of it, now, in order to be able to figure out this rhythm, to know if you're doing it correctly, a great method is to tap one hand on the piano, on the top of the piano, and play the other one so you can hear it. This is incredibly valuable because in this case, just like in the 3 against 2, the 3 is easy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. and you want to hear the 2, so you play the 2 on the piano. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. What happens so often with a 3 against 2 is you'll be tempted to accent the second one of the 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. But that is not the way rhythm generally works. Generally, the first note is going to be louder or have more rhythmic emphasis in a group of 2 notes. 1, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and not 1, and 2, and unless it's syncopated rhythm. So you want to purposely underplay the second note in the 3 against 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now, getting back to the 4 against 3, again, together, left, right, left, right, left, except together, left, right, left, right, left. The last triplet is a little bit later, and then the left hand comes in right after that. Of course, this can be reversed if you've got the rhythm of the 4 in the right hand and the 3 in the left hand. It's exactly opposite. So now, if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, you can hear the 3. Whereas when you're playing the hands together, are you playing the rhythm accurately or not? It's so hard to tell. In your music, you do the same thing. That's back to the Debussy. You can hear the evenness when you play the hands together. It can be all but impossible to identify the distortion of the rhythm. But when you play one hand silently in your lap or on top of the piano, you can clearly hear the rhythm. So remember, in the 4, the 3, again, 4 against 3, the third note of the triplet is going to be later than you think it is, and then the last 4 of the 4 is going to be right after that late triplet. So 1. You hear that at the very end? That is the secret for getting 3 against 4. Remember, start with together, left, right, left, right, left. Then remember to make the last triplet later, and right after it comes the last of the 4. And use the piano on the triplet and then tap the 4. Or play the 4 with the other hand that plays the 4 so you can hear the evenness of the triplet. That's the challenge of the 4 against 3, just like it's the duplet in the 3 against 2 that you want to play on the piano while playing silently in your lap or on top of the piano, the triplet. That is the lesson for today. This is a hack that really works. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you. If you've ever struggled with 4 against 3 before, see if this works for you. I'm really curious. In the comments, send them here at livingpianos.com. I appreciate it. It's great to share this with you. Look for more videos coming your way here at livingpianos.com, your online piano resource.